Let's reset the Instagram algorithm. Now open up Instagram on your iPhone or Android, and the first thing we need to do is check any of your recent searches. Within your recent searches, we need to delete out all of these so that these aren't influencing the algorithm on what it will suggest or what it won't suggest. The next thing that we're going to do is go into your Reels and make sure those are reset as well. You'll be able to see at the Reels page at the top right is the little filter icon. And it says, lately you've been watching Tar Heel games, and here are all the things that it suggests you should watch. On any of these, if you don't like those, you can just press and hold on it and then hit remove as interest. Now you can go through this entire list to remove what you want to see less of. Essentially, we're resetting everything to a baseline. After you've done all of those things, you can just go into the more content preferences. Again, you can go to your algorithm. That's the page that we just were in. Sensitive content, political content, interested and not interested. But the most helpful is reset your suggested content. It says, do you want a fresh start? We can suggest posts, reels, etc. based on factors you like, but you can just reset this back to factory default, and then it will start learning your content preferences going forward again.